Today's topic is squares and square roots. If we have on the square side is 1, then area is equal to side into side. That is why 1 into 1 they given 1 square. 1 square also is 1 only. Suppose they have given in the square side they have given 2. So the area of the square is side into side. Area of square, or A into A equal to A square also we can tell. So side they have given here 2, so 2 square equal to 2 into 2 will get 4 centimeter square if they given in centimeter. Same like that, they given 5 into 5 25. If they given 8 into 8 8s are 64 because 8 square. Same formula is A if they given A into A square. This is what our area of the square formula. So what and all numbers we can get in the square numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, because 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, like that. In between this numbers and all is not in the square numbers. See here, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2 2s are 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, like this. So in between this number is 2 and 3 is not in your square numbers. Here 5, 6, 7, 8, this number and all is not in your square number. Here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, this number and all is not in the square numbers. So here in between this number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, this numbers and all not in your square numbers. So what and all square numbers will get? 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, like that numbers only will get the square numbers. Properties of square numbers. They have given here numbers from 1 to 20 and square also they have given in this. In this something we'll observe, that is like 1 square is 1, 11 square is 121, and 9 square is 81, 19 square is 361. So 1 and 9, it is ending the squares with 1 and 1, again here also 1 and 1 it is ending. That is like 1 square is 1, 9 square is 81, 11 square is 121, 19 square is 361, 21 square is 441, like this. 1 and 9 if you end with the numbers, so squares also is ending with 1. Same like that, still more we can observe, that is like numbers 4 and 6 if it is there, 4, 6, 14, 16, like that. If we get 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36, 14 square is 196, 16 square is 256, like this, ending with 6 all the numbers. So 4 and 6 is there, the numbers, squares and all ending with the 6. So they have given here 1 to 50 also the number and squares. You can observe what and all you will get. And always 5 square is 25, 15 square is 125. So 5 is there ending with 5 the square number. This also you can observe. Here 10 square is 100. Only 1 0 is there, so we have to put here double 0. 1 ones are 1. Same like that 20 square. So double 0 we should write here, 2 twos are 4 we should write. 80 square is double 0 we should write, 8 eights are 64 we should write. When we have 1 square, that is 10 square, we have to put here double 0. Then that number we have to multiply 2 times, we should write here. Same like that 100 square means 100 means double 0 we have here, we should write 40, 1 ones are 1. So we'll get here 10,000. Same like 200 square means 200 means double 0 we have. Here we should write 4 zeros. 2 twos are 4 we should write. So that we are getting here 40,000. 700 square means 700 means 2 0 we have. Here 4 zeros we should write. 7 sevens are 49. So we'll get 4,90,000. Here 900 square means double 0 means 4 0 we should write. 9 nines are 81. So here double 0 means here we should write 4 zeros. Suppose if you get here 3 zeros like 2000 square means we should write here 6 zeros and 2 twos are 4 we should write. So here whatever it is there, that double we should write here. 2 zeros means 4 zeros, 3 zeros means 6, 4 zeros means 4 twos are 8 zeros we should write in this place. Then some more interesting pattern they given in this place, that is this 1 dot we have here, 1 dot. Again if you keep the other point, that is like a rangoli we have to keep the point, no, like that one more 2 point if you keep, the dots are 3. Again third line we should write one more 3 points means totally we have that flowers, 6 flowers we have. Next line 4 flowers we should draw, like this 4 flowers. Now totally how many flowers are there? This is 10. Next line we should write 5. So like that if you write all, totally we have 15 flowers in this. This is called adding triangular numbers. First is 1, next is 2, that is second means 2 we should add with this. Next is 3 means 3 we should add with this. Next 4 means 4 along with the 6, 4 we add, 10 will get. Next 5 we should add, 10 plus 5 is 15. Next number we have to add 6, 15 plus 6 is 21 will get. Next one we should add with 7, like that. See 1, 3 means 1 plus 2 will get 3. Next number 6 means this 3 plus, this is third gap, no? Second gap means we should write third, we should add 3 plus 3, 6. Next we should add with, along with this 6, 4. 6 plus 4 we should add. So we'll get 10. Again 10 plus 5 we should add. So 15 will get. This all triangular number. This all triangular. Again along with this 6 we should add. So we'll get 21. Along with this 7 we should add. Like that we should add. Now two consecutive triangular numbers when we add, we'll get a square number. That is first one 1 plus 3. We have here 1 plus 3 when we add, we'll get 4. 4 is 2 square. Again 3 plus 6 when we add, 9 will get. 9 is 3 square. 6 plus 10 we add, we'll get 16. 16 is 4 square. 4 4s are 16. Again 10 and 15 we add. 10 and 15 means 25 we get. 25 is 5 square we'll get. That's what they showed here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is 2 square. Then 3 plus 6, this full is 9. 9 is called 3 square. Then 6 and 10 we add, we'll get full is 16. 16 is 4 square they given. So this is called two consecutive triangular number. When we add, we'll get the square numbers like this. Adding odd numbers. 1 square, 1 square will get. Next 1 plus 3 will get 4. Sum of first two odd numbers when we add will get 4 the answer. 4 is which square? 2 square. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5. 3 numbers we are going to add. So 3 numbers, 3 square is 9. How 9 will get? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 is 3 square. Same like that, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 we add, 4 numbers are adding, so we'll get 4 square is 16. See, 1 plus 4 is, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. Now 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, 5 numbers we are adding, so 5 square is 25, 9 plus 1 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, 20, plus 5 is 25. Same like that, we'll get how many square odd numbers we are adding, that many squares number we'll get if we add these numbers. So that sum of first n odd numbers, we are getting that n square form. Suppose 6 numbers when we add, 6 square is 36 we are getting. 5 numbers when we add, 5 square is 25. That is only odd numbers. 4 odd numbers when we add, 4 square is 16. So that consecutive numbers, that is consecutive odd numbers, if you add that many square, we'll get the answers. A sum of consecutive natural numbers. 3 square is 9. How this 9 will get? 4 plus 5. So 4 how we are getting means 3 square minus 1 by 2. 3 square is what? 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 1 divided by 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4 we are getting. Next number we are getting like 3 square plus 1 by 2. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5 we are getting. So this 2 number when we add, we are getting 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is called 3 square. Same like that we can find for everything, that is 5 square is 25. What 2 numbers when we should add means we have to find like this format. 5 square minus 1 divided by 2. 5 square is 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 by 2 is 12. Same like that here, 5 square plus 1 divided by 2 when we do, we will get this 2 number. See, 12 plus 13 we are getting 25. Same like that, 7 square we can find, 9 square, 11 square, 15 square we can find like this. Next one, product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. What is the meaning of consecutive? Next number. Suppose if you take even number, 2 and 4 is next number. Suppose if you take odd number, 1 and 3 is consecutive odd natural numbers like that. 11 into 13. 11 next odd number is 13. So when we multiply this both, 143 is our answer. That 143 how we get means 12 square is 144 minus 1. So in between 11 and 13, between which number we are getting? 12. So 12 square minus 1 we can write. This is like a square minus b square. So 12 minus 1 is 11. 12 plus 1 is 13. Like that also we can write. So first we should write 12 minus 1 is 11. 12 plus 1 is 13. So a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square is 12 square minus 1 square also 1 only. Therefore we are getting 144 minus 1 is 143. Next number 13 into 15. This is consecutive odd numbers. So which square will get? Middle we have 14. 14 square minus 1. 14 square minus 1 how will get? 13 how will get? 14 minus 1 is 13. 14 plus 1 is 15. So a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square formula. Same like even natural numbers, that is 44 into 46 is equal to, in middle what number we have, 45 square minus 1 will get. Next property is some more pattern in square numbers they given. 1 square is 1. 11 square is 121. That is also how they are writing, here 1, in middle 2. Next 111 square means we are getting 1, 2, 3, then 2 and 1. This same thing we are writing this side also. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that we can write. See in this. This is 4 times of 1 they written. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 3, 2, 1. Same like that we can write it and go this pattern and enjoy. Then here they given 7 square and 67 square like that. 7 is 49. 7 square is 49. 67 square is 4489. This 89 will be continue this side. Again 667 square they given. So that here 3 times of 4 and 2 times 8, 1 time 9. Here 3 times of 6 and 7 square they given. That is 6667 square they given. So 4 numbers is there. Here 4 times 4 we should write. 3 times 8, 1 times 9. Like that you can continue this also. They have given in this. Again they given, try this 1 square, that is like 1 and 1 like that squares. And here also they given 6 and 7 squares like this. Try this too also at home, and we'll continue in next class exercise 5.1.